amazing. The installation was super easy. You know, sharing with you guys that. Yo, that's crazy! Installing it. Oh man, I don't want to make this video. Whatever. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and unfortunately we're gonna be selling the STI. I wish I could keep it, but it's one of those decisions that I had to make. This is more of a personal car for me. I always wanted an STI. I also bought it with second intentions to introduce it into the channel and do a few videos here and there and kind of show you guys that you don't only have to like one brand. I'm always trying to inspire you guys to, you know, expand your mind and to like other things other than Hondas, and you know, just kind of be versatile in what you like. You know, there's other great cars out there like the STI, you know, Focus RS, things like that. You should go out there and experience, and you know, you only live once, so go ahead, do your thing. I'm gonna be selling the STI. I've been thinking about this for quite a while. It suddenly hit me, and I think it's a better choice for me. I'm gonna move on from it. I really enjoyed it. I wish I could keep two new cars, but one has to go. I'm gonna be replacing it with something more amazing. It's definitely gonna be a step up in terms of quality and also amenities. It's gonna have the latest tech, and I'm very excited to have that car. I actually should be ordering it very soon. I'm gonna order it exactly how I want it. I'm gonna be taking the wrap off of it myself. It's gonna be super epic, so stay tuned for that. Also, I want to talk about my experience with the STI. There's a lot of negativity out there. Don't let that fool you guys. This is a great platform. It never broke on me. It was a beast. It's a track ready car right from the factory. I just wanted to walk you through all the things that I liked and didn't like, so let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start in the front end. I always liked this car because of the aggressive hoop scoop right over here. It's very nice. It's one of the staples in the industry, and there's no other car out there that looks like this. You definitely turn a lot of heads when you're driving this car, and not only in looks but also the way it sounds. It's very aggressive. I always like the headlights on this car. I like the C-shape LED. These headlights actually turn with your steering wheel, which is an amazing feature. I never had that before in any car. One thing that I didn't like was my the fog lights. So I went ahead and installed some fog lights. I never put a video out for that, and actually I'm turning the car back to stocks. I just removed it a few days ago, but I had fog lights with running lights on the top, and it was a nice addition. That's one of the things I didn't like on that 2018 STI, that it just had like plain blank plates. I really like the brakes, the 6 piston Brembo brakes from factory, not only in the front, but we have Brembo brakes in the back. That's a great feature, and the car stops on a dime. One thing I didn't like was the wheels. They were a pain to wash. They're kind of dirty right now, but they are a pain to wash just because of the design. It has way too many spokes, and it just takes way too much time, and it's very hard to clean the caliper because of how busy the wheel is. And also the wheels are super heavy, like very heavy. So one of the mods that people do to these cars is to actually put lighter wheels on this, and really improves the acceleration. Let's move on to the interior. Man, I really enjoyed this car. It was really nice. It had like suede, and the interior had a red stitching. You can definitely take a trip on this car. The suspension is not too harsh. It's definitely firm, but it's plush at the same time. I have a short shifter on this, which we'll be removing very soon. Adjustable modes, as you can tell right there. But other than that, it was really nice. It had Recaro seats, seat belts that match the seat very nicely, so there's a very premium touch to it. Flat bottom steering wheel. What can I say, guys? This car was a beast. A 10-inch screen here. I didn't like make a video about this either. Once again, this car was like more for me and just did a few videos about it, but I wanted to do projects on the side that I don't have to record because I enjoy that more. The piano black trim all the way around. It's a really nice seat with suede here. I like the STI, which lit up at night. The pedals, and this car came ready with push button start as well. The gauges, let me show you guys how that. Very nice sweep on the tachometer over here. But let's go ahead, shut it off, and continue showing you the rest of the car. The car is impeccable. I mean, I only drove it for around 15,000 miles. I really like the quad tip exhaust. Very menacing when you're on the road. It sounds amazing too. I like the wing, just everything about it. I had a F1 style brake light right here, which I removed. I returned it back to stock. I really had a blast in the track. The thing is like ready from the start. Like it's just ready to go all the time, which made it fun. The balance of it, the turning, the braking, everything is on point. But that's about it. It's time to move on. I don't last too long with my cars, so it's time to let it go. I'm actually moving all my parts to this car, which is a buddy of mine. He just bought this STI Series White, which is gorgeous in this kind of a championship white. This is the 2020 version. Not a lot of differences between this one and that one. This is the 2018. They're both the same generation, but the Series White came with blisting shocks, BBS wheels. Actually, check out these wheels. They are absolutely gorgeous. Instead of the lime green calipers, they're actually silver, and different tires. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to update you on my future plans. There's a new car coming in the future, so stay tuned. It's gonna be here probably in a month or two, hopefully sooner. I'm going to be placing my order today or tomorrow, so I'm very excited about that. This new car is certainly gonna help the channel a lot and also my brand, so I'm looking forward to it, to what the future holds for me. That's gonna be it, guys. I really enjoy the STI, great platform. Leave your comments below or what you think it's what's coming in the channel or what you thought about the STI. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and until the next one, peace.